Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you why you need this magnetic magic mount for your car. This is a Scosche Magic Mount Pro 2 magnetic car phone holder, and it is so cool. It really does have a great strong magnet on it so that it's going to hold your phone safely and securely. I also love that it's got a great suction base so that you can use it with your windshield like I have here, or you can even put it on a dashboard if you have a nice flat surface. It is good for all compatible MagSafe phones, and if you do not have one of those phones, it also comes with a extra neodymium rare earth magnet that you can actually just slip in your phone case, and it should be able to work with just about any phone. So it's really nice that you're able to do that. I love that this thing is so versatile and secure. Once you pop it on there, it's got a wonderful telescoping adjustable arm, and it's able to contract and retract, and it's just been really nice to kind of get it at whatever optimal viewing angle you need, because that magnet on the end has a 360-degree adjustable head, so whether it's the sun or whatever else, I can get it where I need it. It's, like I said, it's strong. It's definitely very secure, and I have really appreciated having this and not having to worry about where to put my phone, and also be able to see it when I need to. So overall, this is a great magnetic magic mount, especially if you want to be hands-free and using either your map or maybe making a phone call, whatever it is you need your phone for. This is a wonderful option, and that is my point of view.